Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you 5 ways to fix 100% disk usage on Windows 11. First thing, we need to know what's doing this. Hit Ctrl, Shift, Escape to open the Task Manager. Click the Disk column so it sorts highest to lowest. Look at the top. It's usually one of these: your browser, your antivirus mid-scan, OneDrive or Dropbox syncing, or just System, which usually means a driver problem or Windows search, not an app. If Task Manager isn't specific enough, go to Performance and open Resource Monitor. Go to the Disk tab, sort by total. Now you can see exactly what's reading and writing. Now here's what to do with what you found. If it's a named app, your browser, an antivirus, OneDrive, you've basically got your answer already. Close it, or check if it's mid-update or mid-scan, and just let it finish. If it keeps coming back and hogging the disk, it might be worth updating that app, or, if you don't need it, uninstalling it. But if what you saw was System, Service Host, or nothing obvious at all, that's your sign to keep going. Now, check for updates. Sometimes this is literally just a bug Microsoft already fixed. Settings, Windows Update. Check for updates. Let it install anything it finds. Now go into Advanced Options, then Optional Updates. Here's the part people miss. Look for drivers related to your storage controller, chipset, SATA, or NVMe. Those are the ones that actually affect disk performance. You don't need every optional updates, just the storage-related drivers. An outdated storage driver really can cause this. It's a known issue, especially after a big Windows update. Updating it sometimes fixes everything on its own. If it asks you to restart, do it now. If the disk usage is still high after this, move on to the next fix. This one fixes it for a lot of people. It's a background service called sysmain, used to be called Superfetch. Windows key plus R, type services, .msc, hit enter. Scroll down, find sysmain, right-click, properties. Change startup type to disabled. Click stop. Then, apply. OK. What does sysmain even do? It guesses what apps you'll open next and preloads them so they open faster. Nice idea, but on a lot of PCs, especially anything without an SSD, it just floods your disk instead. Turning it off is safe. You might lose a tiny bit of app launch speed. Most people never notice. Restart, then check Task Manager again. Malware causes this too more often than people think. Hidden background stuff, constantly writing to disk. Settings, privacy and security, Windows security, virus, and threat protection. Click Quick Scan, takes a couple minutes. If it comes back clean and you're still not convinced, run a full scan. It's slower, but more thorough. Last one, Windows has a built-in tool for this. Search defrag. You'll see a couple results. Click the one that says defragment and optimize drives with the disk icon. Pick your main drive, usually C, click optimize. It knows the difference between a hard drive and an SSD and does the right thing for each. Totally safe, either way. That's it. Run through these 5 and your disk usage should be back to normal. Still stuck? I've got a follow-up video with the deeper fixes. Thanks for watching.